Yeah, that's right. 777,
777 Spirit, Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, yeah, that's right.
Confirmation Juliet, now current wind 340 at 4, altimeter 3033. Right turn Alpha 8, straight across the ramp with me. Pitch at 483, Spirit Tower, you open ready?
Pitch at 483.
483, wind 340 at 6, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Left clear for takeoff, runway heading, pitch at 483.
Contact St. Louis departure, safe flight.
Departure, pitch at 483.
20843, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, Cessna 843.
Cessna 843, Alpha 5, if you can make it.
We off at Alpha 5, Cessna 843.
43, roger, taxi County Keys via Alpha with me.
Keys via Alpha with you, 843, thanks a lot.
822, line up and wait, runway 26 left, traffic Bonanza on a 6 mile right base.
Line up and wait, runway 26 left, coming 22.
I'm 822, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, coming 22.
I'm 822, contact St. Louis departure, safe flight.
822, good day.
Station 18 Kilo, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Cautionary turbulence for the departed Gulfstream.
26 left, runway heading, 18 Kilo, thanks.
Aviation 1-8 Kilo, contact St. Louis departure, safe flight.
Thank you, see you there.
2 Charlie Bravo, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Charlie Bravo, clear to land. 26 left.
Bravo, roger, Alpha 6, and cross Alpha to the condos with me. Have a good day.
Cross Alpha with you to the condos. Charlie Bravo, thank you, Beach. 214 Kilo Pop out of 3,100.
214 Kilo Pop, Spirit Tower, right downwind for runway 26 left, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, 4 Kilo Pop, thank you.
And 4 Kilo Papa, stay parked.
Straight across to the condos for 4 Kilo Pop.
4 Kilo Papa, roger, Alpha 6, straight across to the condos. Have a good night.
We'll do that. You have a great night as well. 4 Kilo Pop, across to the condos.
And Spirit Tower, get your 875 with your individual runway 26 left.
Spirit 875, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, get your 875.
Share 875, right turn next taxiway, contact ground point 7.
Tower Plus 351 Papa Papa is holding short runway 26 left, Alpha 1, ready to go IFR.
Pilatus 351 Papa Papa, Spirit Tower, roger, working on the IFR release.
Work through 6 left, 1 Papa Papa.
Pilatus 1 Papa Papa, runway 26 left, line up and wait, traffic Meridian, about a 7-mile final.
Hey, 26 left, line up and wait, 1 Papa Papa.
Pilatus 1 Papa Papa, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Great, runway heading up to 2,500, clear for takeoff, 26 left, 1 Papa Papa.
Pilatus 1 Papa Papa, contact St. Louis departure, safe flight.
Departure, 1 Papa Papa, good day.
28 Tango X-ray, Spirit Tower, wind 330 at 5, runway 26 left, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land, runway 26 left, number 2, then back to you, Tango.
contact 8, Tango X-ray, contact, or right turn Alpha 8, contact ground point 7. For Romeo Sierra, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left.
Sierra, roger, right turn Alpha 8, taxi to Millionaire via Alpha with me.
Alpha 8, Alpha with you.
2369, roger, runway 26 left cleared for the option, and I'll have your instructions on the go just here in a moment.
The option on 26 left for 2369.
Cap 2369 on the go, you can fly the Publis Miss, that is approved.
On Miss, we'll fly the Publis Miss for 2369.
Don't miss.
2369, roger. 2369 traffic is ahead and to your right, Cessna 1200 northwestbound.
Okay, look for the traffic.